One of the biggest reasons people don't juice as often as they'd like, they say it takes way too much time. Chopping, prepping, feeding. It can feel like a chore. But what if you could juice big batches with almost no prep? Let me show you how. If you want to juice with less prep and maximize your yield, the Kuvings AUTO10 Plus juicer has an expandable hopper so you can load up to 135 ounces of ingredients in one batch. It's the largest batching hopper of any juicer on the market. And today I'm making a juice recipe that takes full advantage of this massive capacity. No reloading, just one hopper fill, press the juice, and done. First, I'm attaching the hopper extensions so I can fit even more ingredients with minimal chopping. For today's recipe, I'm using 3 large beets, 2 apples, 2 whole carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. Now, when loading the juicer, you want to follow the layering technique with softer ingredients like greens or pineapple going at the bottom and harder ingredients like carrots, beets, or apples going on the top. This helps everything juice smoothly for maximum juice extraction. Now we let the juicer do its thing. No feeding, pushing, or reloading, just one press and it's done. If you've ever wished you could juice bigger ingredients with less prep, this is why the Auto 10 Plus is a game changer. It takes in whole beets, whole apples, full carrots with no extra chopping needed. And here's the final result, just over 32 ounces or 1 liter of rich, vibrant juice from just one hopper load. No stopping, no reloading. That's what makes the Auto 10 Plus one of the most convenient batch juicers out there. Juicing this much in one go saves time and effort so you can focus on what really matters in your day. Hope you enjoy this juice recipe, and as always, stay juicy.